how to use ChatGPT to write emails. Let me show you a step-by-step guide on how to write emails using ChatGPT. So firstly, as you can see, I have opened ChatGPT on my web browser. Now I'm simply gonna type help me write an email in ChatGPT. If you already have a prompt for email writing, then you can just use that. But if you don't, then you can use ChatGPT for the prompt as well. When I ask that, then it gave me all the relevant information it will need to generate the email. If you have any other details, you can also give that. If you give many details, then it will be easier for ChatGPT to write the email. Provide relevant information and send it. And just like that, it has written your email. Now you can make changes on this email also. For example, let's say I want a longer email. I'm just gonna say make longer. So as you can see, it's very easy to write an email using ChatGPT. You can go through the email, and if you have to change anything, you can do it manually, or you can tell ChatGPT to edit that. So that's all for today. Thank you.